Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is 7 days 7 oracle messages for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 20th till the 26th of April 2026. Please keep in mind these are general messages. They might or might not resonate. If they does, don't take them too personal that you are going to make life changing decisions based on these readings only. Please don't do that shit. You are responsible for your own actions and your own decisions. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. Will find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. The overall energy for Cancer people for this week. So we have King of Gabriel. Keep your eyes on the big picture. Leave the details to others. Experience that leads to success. Genuine concern for others. Okay, so Cancer, keep your eyes on the big picture. If you have a goal, if you want to achieve something in some area of your life, keep your eyes on the prize. Okay, instead of continuously focusing on the small details or hurdles or obstacles, keep your eyes on the goal and you will be able to achieve it. Of course, you have to deal with the problems also, obstacles also, but don't give them too much energy or don't get so much stressed out that you are going to leave like your goal in between only, right? Experience that leads to success. You might get some kind of experience that is going to ultimately lead to some kind of success. Genuine concern for others. You guys are going to be concerned about people you really care for. Okay, let's see the messages. 20th, we have the 5 of Gabriel, a challenge you can resolve. Withdraw from the drama of others. Have patience with yourself and those around you. You guys will be able to resolve any kind of challenges that you guys are going to face on the path of your success. Withdraw from the drama of others. Don't be a part of any kind of drama until unless it's directly related to you. Okay? Have patience with yourself and those around you. Patience is the key. If you're going to get restless and impatient, you might lose something really good. Okay, 21st we have King of Raphael. Yes, it is safe to trust. Yes, it is safe to trust yourself, the process, the divine, the ability to accomplish many things at once. You guys will be able to accomplish many things at once. Only follow your creative passions. Connect with your creative side and follow your creative passions, honey. Okay, that's going to give you a lot of peaceful and happy kind of energies. 20th, 21st, 22nd, we have Knight of Ariel. There's so much to accomplish in your life. Make a very detailed plan. Being watched over by someone kind. There's so much to accomplish. Okay, if you want to accomplish something big in your life, Cancer, you can't go without any kind of plan or strategy. You guys have to have a proper plan, proper strategy, and then work along with the strategy, along with the plan. Somebody is watching you, someone kind is watching you, maybe a senior, maybe some of family members. They are watching you doing your thing, and they are ready to help whenever it's going to be time for them to step in and help you, right? So we have 20th, first, second, 23rd, we have 3 of Michael. Release the past. The past is still weighing you down in some way. You guys have to slowly but surely release the past. You will grow from this situation. Whatever you guys are holding on to from your past, you guys will be able to grow from this situation. It's not like you are going to be always stuck in it. Time heals all wounds. You guys have to make sure that you are focusing on releasing your past properly. You will be able to grow from this situation sooner or later in your life, but focusing on the past too much is not going to bring you anything good in life ever. Hmm? Time will help you to heal. Okay, 20th, first, second, third. 24th, we have the Chariot. Determination and self control is going to give you a lot of good results, but determination of not giving up and self control, maybe you are getting overly emotional or overly practical, so that self control is required. Career advancement is possible on this particular day. Salary hike or promotion, or maybe a job change or career change. but that is going to lead to really beautiful career kind of career advancement. Acknowledgement of success by others. People are going to acknowledge your success, people are going to acknowledge your hard work, and you are going to be praised for that. So we have 20th, first, second, third, fourth. 25th, we have the lovers. Make choices from your heart. There, in the matter of heart, especially, make choices from your heart. Along with your heart, have a balanced kind of practical side also, mind side also. Don't just blindly follow your heart when you know it. You might you might end up getting hurt. Okay, deeply emotional commitment is possible on this day. You guys are going to feel the power of real love, like how real love can change you, can change your thinking, can change your point of view and perception about how you see life and people and situations. Okay, so we have 20th, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. 26th, we have page of Raphael. A new emotional situation, something really emotional might come up on this particular day. Messages regarding relationships or social invitations. You might get some kind of invitations for a marriage, engagement, or two people celebrating their togetherness, or simply some kind of social invitation. Just go there, have fun, forget about the world. Sometimes all we need is a good break and a good environment. Great intuitive insights, especially if you guys are consciously working on your spiritual side. You might end up getting a lot of intuitive insights and intuitive messages. Intuitive energies are nothing but things that you know but you cannot explain to others. Maybe, like, let's say, for example, I know certain things about human behavior, and when somebody is behaving in a certain way, I might not be able to explain, but I intuitively know that why they are behaving the way they are behaving, or why they are doing the way they are doing things, right? It's, don't confuse psychology with intuitive energies. Intuitiveness is, you know, when you know. You might not be able to explain it. A lot of times I cannot. Psychology is something that you can explain, right? By the way, I'm doing this mental health counselor course. So by the end of September, I will be a certified mental health counselor. So I will be able to take counseling sessions also along with my tarot. It's going to be a great mix. Quite excited. Okay, anyways, let's see the final message, guidance for you guys for this week. So we have the final message as, make bold and ambitious choices. You guys might be running away from this energy of making some kind of bold choices or decisions in a particular direction. The time has come for you guys to make the bold choices and ambitious decisions, and the vice versa. Great progress is possible only and only when you guys are going to make those choices or decisions. Important relationship with people who share your vision. Connect with people who share your vision. Like, if this is a quest for a good career, then connect with people who are already on the path, who are already expert in this field, who can guide you in a positive way. So that is going to be very, very helpful for you guys. Okay, that's what I'm getting for you for this week. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.